How to fix CSGO mic not working error. 1. Removing then reconnecting your mic. And you may consider using a dedicated microphone. 2. Check for potential hardware damage. 3. Check mic threshold levels. 4. Allowing the CSGO app to use your microphone. 5. Change more. Game settings game tab enable developer console, yes. Press the key, then enter voice_enable 1 command. Reset CSGO settings. 6. Uninstall then reinstall microphone drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 7. Other tips are, 7.1. Set your microphone as default device. 7.2 Check in game settings. Audio settings tab, audio. Other audio settings, turn on or set to the correct state. Game settings communication, not muted your pals. Controller, use mic. 7.3 Verify integrity of game cache files. 7.4. Restart the Windows audio service.